This atomic silver metallic Chrysler is now available for viewing and test drives at Bussani Mobility. It features a fold-out automatic ramp by BraunAbility, a shorter floor, and a drop door opening. The vehicle is equipped with a power sliding door and ramp that you can control at the touch of a button with the key, all designed to make it easy and comfortable for individuals in wheelchairs or scooters to access the vehicle. It also features a beautiful third-row bench for extra seating options, including a footrest. It accommodates up to 6 passengers, including wheelchair user. The car is also equipped with the Uconnect Theater Package, which includes two 10.1-inch touchscreens on the backs of the front seat headrests, with USB and HDMI hookups. Both front seats are removable, allowing the wheelchair user to take control of the vehicle. Wheelchair securement positions are available on both the driver and passenger sides. The OEM cargo space is retained to offer ample storage space. If you are interested in this vehicle, contact your local Bussani dealer today.